Welcome to British Desire. I am your professor, and today we are going to see video presentation on Google Fit for Android. Still confused? Let's learn how to use Google Fit for healthier life. Point 1. Activity goals to improve health. Being active is important to our health, but how much or what kind of activity do you need? Google Fit collaborated with the World Health Organization, WHO, to develop Heart Points, an activity goal based on WHO global recommendations and shown to impact health. How to make it possible? It is simple. To start the feature simply, open your phone setting app, then tap to Google Fit and select your Google profile to continue. Once you select your Google profile, don't forget to fill details like birth date, weight, height, etc. in order to complete your health profile. Point 2. Heart Points. Activities that get your heart pumping harder have tremendous health benefits for your heart and mind. You'll earn 1 heart point for each minute of moderately intense activity, such as picking up the pace when walking your dog, and double points for more intense activities such as running. It takes just 30 minutes of brisk walking 5 days a week to reach WHO recommended amount of physical activity, shown to reduce the risk of heart disease, improve sleep and increase overall mental well-being. Don't you think it's amazing? Nowadays mobile devices are able to capture your heart rate, mood, walking time, etc. Point 3. Coaching that fits you. Achieve your fitness goals through customized coaching and actionable tips based on your health and activity history. Google Fit also makes it easy to monitor your progress and track your activity right from your phone or smartwatch. Point 4. However you move, make it count. From swimming to strolling, any activity that gets you moving makes an impact on your health. That's why Google Fit works with many of your favorite apps and health devices want to give you credit for all your moves and provide a holistic view of your health. Point 5. Google Fit Dashboard Summary. Google Fits help you to track activity like walking, running and cycling, etc. It also use your location for accurate result. Even you can add task or activity like cycling, car driving, blood pressure, weight. Point 6. Journal. In this section you can easily see your activity that captured by Google Fit. It's a dashboard where you can analyze the activity based on charts. Thank you for watching presentation video on Google Fit, created by British Desire eLearning. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. For any business inquiries related to product promotion, feel free to contact us at www.britishdesire.com. If you want to have a one-on-one free consultation, please visit www.britishdesire.com/elearning and register.